Good morning, guys. Good morning. Morning. Today is day 2 of the Daniel fast, and the one went well. The one went well. I just took water like this. I took about 3 of it. So I just decided to do one every 6 hours, and then I top it up for another 6 hours and 6 hours. I think it was later in the evening I took apples and pineapple. So I think those are the only thing I took yesterday. So today I've already taken this. Still have some left, and it's almost 10:30. It's almost 10:30. I would go and top this up, and then I don't know what I'm breaking it, but I think maybe for us, Pastor said we can do pap. I'm not sure I want to go that direction, because it would want me to take something like Odimo, and I don't want to at all. So I'm just trying to restrict it to I just want to restrict it to maybe just raw fruits. So today's Thursday. I'm looking at red apples, watermelon, red fruit, red apples, watermelon. Should I red fruit? Beetroot. Yeah, I have a beetroot. I'm not thinking. Beetroot. What else? Yeah, be that. Then tomorrow, yellow fruits. Banana, lemon. Oh, not red, strawberries. Yeah, strawberries. I just want my own to be just fruits, just strictly fruits. Saying cabbage soup, sweets. I'm not interested. I just want pure fruits. That's it. Good.
Because you've gone to the pamper of that country.
So I came to pick up the car. We had to fix the AC, and we had to come and fix the AC. We were driving back. So tired. Oh my gosh. So we're just supposed to go briefly to pick up the car. So he drove his own car, then down, both of us down, and then I'm supposed to drive back because we're having issues with, I feel like the electrician that I called to help us fix a cable messed up our whole inverter system. So we've been on it since how many days now. So the guys that we planned that we were just going to go and pick the car and come back, and then the guys that are working were around. So thankfully his assistant was around, and she was able to help us attend to them, because by the time we got to where they were doing the car, the AC started acting up, it was doing overheating, so we had to wait. Apparently the water they drained from the radiator, they didn't put enough water back, so that was what was causing the overheating. So we had to wait a bit for the whole thing to really calm down. After that, because of the way this car was, they didn't want me to drive, so he drove. But the downside is he didn't pick the extra copy of his driver's license. He's not in the car any longer. He's now in his own car. So when we're coming back, police stopped us. I was so pissed. I was so pissed. But it was just another drama. But thankfully we were able to leave because we had pre-scan and everything. And I didn't even know that when you're driving as a learner, you need to have an experienced person in the car with you. Yes, I knew, but like I just felt okay, maybe till you know how to drive, and then once you can drive, like my instructor will tell me to keep practicing and practicing by myself. But apparently, there's a law that I cannot drive all by myself until I remove the learner. I'm not worried about it. So, long story, I got some couple of fruits that I was going to use it's going to eat later on this evening. Man, I was really tempted by Pisca's golden one. And then I forgot my bottle in the juice car. So I was dehydrated for a while. It's not a good thing. But anyway, it's back. I want to finish the water before 4:30. Has about in 30 minutes time, so I need to top up this bottle and go for my third round. So
Come and behold the works of the Lord. What desolation. Which means there's a river now. That river, where is it coming out of?
good morning, guys. Today is Friday. I just finished my how many minutes jogging session. I currently have 46. My plan is usually by the time I'm going to bed around 10:30, 10 past 10, I would have completed 12,000 and at least 500 calories points. Today's session was a bit draggy, maybe because today is day 3 of my fast. So like I ran, but not as intense as I would. But I'm really glad that I made this time, like locked this time as exercise, because trust me, if I didn't do that, this fasting period is a good time to say I don't want to jog, but I need to jog. I need to. So this morning, I just want to go and dress up this car. Our dad will be going out earlier this morning, so he has other things he has to do, so I won't be going out with them this morning. So I'll just take my time to dress up. I won't be in a hurry, but I need to dress up, press car, pack her food, pack her bag, and she's going to go to school. My plan is usually by the time I'm going to bed around 10:30, 10 past 10, I would have completed 12,000 and at least 500 calories points. Today's session was a bit draggy, maybe because today is day 3 of my fast. So like I ran, but not as intense as I would. But I'm really glad that I made this time, like locked this time as exercise, because trust me, if I didn't do that, this fasting period is a good time to say I don't want to jog, but I need to jog. I need to. So this morning, I just want to go and dress up this car. Our dad will be going out earlier this morning, so he has other things he has to do, so I won't be going out with them this morning. So I'll just take my time to dress up. I won't be in a hurry, but I need to dress up, press car, pack her food, pack her bag, and she's going to go to school.